Hi, in this video, I want to show you a demo for the Android CI/CD workflow using the GitHub Actions. So in this project, you can see I have created two workflows file, one for CI, it has the build and test, and one for the CD. It has two jobs. One is for generating the debug build, debug APK, and the other one is for generating the release APK. Okay, so let's say we finish the development for a certain feature and we are going to create a pull request, but the test we have a mistake on the test. For example, let me change this to 3, right? Okay, so now let's create the PR for this. Update test. Okay, just commit and publish, preview, and then we create a PR. So we can just say feature update test. Okay, so after I create this pull request, it will trigger the CI workflow. Should be okay. Yeah, I don't know why there's a delay. So you can see there's a build and test, which is the name for the workflow. Let me show you. Yeah, here, build and test, and it has two jobs, build and test. So we can go into Actions tab, and it will show you the current running workflow. So we can see this is about build and test for this pull request. So we can click on that, and we can see there are two jobs here, build and test. So we can just wait a bit.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so we can see the test is failed. We can go inside to see, yeah, the file, right? Okay, so now we can try to fix that easily. Just change it back. Okay, and every update for this PR will trigger the CI every time. So you see, it will run automatically.
2,000 years later.
Okay, it's done. So you see the test is passed. And we can go back to the PR, see the check mark. Okay, so we now are safe to merge. And notice, after I merge this PR, the CD workflow, this one, will be triggered. So you see it's triggered on the changes made to the main branch. So let me merge it now. And don't forget to delete it. It's a good habit. So now we can go to the actions. You see should be, that's weird. Okay. Again, a delay. Oh, by the way, you can see at the left side, we have two workflows, build and test and generate APK. So now we are running the generate APK workflow. You see the name, generate APK, and we can click this. You see, now we have two jobs are running here in parallel. Previously, the CI workflow, which is running one by one. So the test will be executed after the build is finished, which means if the build is not successful, it will not run the test, which is making sense, right? Okay, so we are back to the generate APK workflow and wait a bit.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so now it's finished. You can see down below we have two artifacts being produced. So one is the debug APK, and the other one is the release APK, which is also signed. So we can click the download, which is a zip file. Okay, and you can see inside it's the debug APK with the version number, same as the release. Okay, you can see, yeah, the release APK. Okay, so let's say you and your team is in a agile environment. For example, you are using the Jira system for assigning and recording the tasks by the tickets. You can just copy the link of this workflow. So let's go back to the actions. Yeah, you can just copy this link to the Jira ticket and add the QA team to test this, to test the release APK. And if there is a issue with the APK, you as the developer, you can always click the link, which is inside the ticket, right? Click the link and you will go into this page, and then you can click on here. It will bring you to the, here, bring you back to the PR so that you can check the code. So in here, you can check out the code changes. You can check out the commit made in this ticket to find the cause of the bug. Okay, so that's it. That's the CI/CD for the Android project using GitHub Actions.